they found me. Run for it, Marty!
Hello, YouTube. Going to be doing a review today of the Event VRX by HDzero. I was sent this a while back, early release from the guys at HDzero. Big thanks, shout out to Carl and the guys there. I did pay for this with my own money. I got it at a discount. It arrived fairly quick in just a plain brown box. It was packed very well. I've tried to set up and do a collaboration with some other YouTubers on this so that I could have other pilots flying with me. And because of COVID and vacations, things like that, it just didn't work out. So I'm going to do this today by myself, and hopefully I can do it justice. It has, as you can see, it has two antennas. It doesn't come with antennas. I'm using the Foxeer Lollipop and the True RC right 90-degree right angle SMA VTX antennas. It has a USB drive, and then it has 4 channels, channel D1, D2, D3, D4, that each has an AV and an HDMI output for each channel. This thing inside has a total of 8 receivers in it. It has 4 HDzero receivers, but it also has 4 analog receivers, and it can output both analog and HD from each channel. Now, I found in my testing that you don't have to export analog via the AV channel. It can export it right out of the HDMI cord. It comes with a power supply that's 8 to 20 volts. It comes with a 12 volt 60 watt power adapter, AC adapter, that you can plug into the wall. I ran mine today off of a solar battery bank that has a AC inverter on it. The interface is very easy to use. It's pretty straightforward in my opinion. You have the side arrow which takes you from channel to channel. Hope you can see this here. Here we go. Move that light a little bit. It takes you from channel to channel. Up and down changes your channel. I think F, you have your R channels, and then just I think 2 F channels. Race 1, race 2, race 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, F2, F4, and then back to your R channels. And you can scroll up through all of them like so. This light will turn green when it has a signal on the given channel that you've selected. My experience, what I was seeing today, was that it would flash when it was an analog signal, and it would be solid green when it was a digital signal or an HDzero signal. This thing is made to be mounted to a board. Let's see if I can do this. Made to be mounted to a board upright. Today, for this review purposes and demo purposes, I'm going to leave it laying flat. I want to show you another piece of equipment that I think is a must for using this. We'll get right to that next. I picked up this unit here on Amazon for like 40 bucks. I got one that was returned or refurbished or something. I think I got it for like 40 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. This is an HDMI 4-in-1 quad multi-viewer. Basically what it does is it takes 4 HDMI channels and combines them together in either one screen, 2, 3, or 4 in different variations. It comes with, it doesn't come with these HDMI cords. It comes with its own power supply, power adapter. It comes with a remote and a very simple set, easy set of instructions. This thing is pretty straightforward, easy to use. Let me show you the unit. Here it is. It's REI is the brand. Again, I got the HD401MR. This takes 4 HDMI inputs and 1 HDMI output. This is I guess that's called an RS332 port. You plug in your DC there. It's 5 volts DC. You can do all of the functions through the buttons on the front, but it has 4 HDMI inputs, 1 HDMI output that's going to go to the TV. So we've got it hooked up. You can see the buttons here on the I've set the channels up to be channels R1 through R4. It's pretty self-explanatory. Then you can up and down to change your channels. Here. So this is race 1 through 4 is what I have it set to, and I will set up 4 digital quads and we'll see how that goes. I found that the remote is a little fiddly. You have to be sure to aim it right at the little IR sensor right here. But here's the remote that comes with it. It's pretty self-explanatory. Resolution, your power button, that's one screen. You click this and it's going to scroll between each of the 4 HDMI inputs, just putting them on one screen. I'll show an example of that now. Scrolling through the individuals. Next is a 4-screen. This would be most commonly used in race situations, and this puts up the 4 screens, and you can push this button and get them in different orders. This is kind of a weird 4-screen. It's 2 smaller ones in the center and 2 larger ones stretched in the back. This splits between 2 screens, and you just keep hitting the button and it alternates between different variations of the 2 of the 4 channels. This one is another. I can see this one being used, the 4-4 or the 4 square, and this one, it has 3 smaller ones on the side and 1 in the center if you was wanting to focus on a particular racer or something while still having the other ones up there. You can do that. It also has audio controls. You can set your audio controls, or you can mute the channels if there's audio coming in. This doesn't only have to be used with the Event VRX. You can have one of the HDMI ends being your computer or a feed from a camera, things like that. And so you can, in those instances, turn the audio off on one of the 4 channels. By the way, it uses the CR25 watch batteries, ones about the size of a quarter, in the remote. I found it just pretty simple to just hit the buttons on the front of the unit that you wanted. Thank you for watching my video of the HDzero Event VRX. I think this thing is pretty sharp. I think it's an answer to me for us guys that run smaller races. Now you can buy 2 of these and daisy chain them together. Get one of the boxes that is a 8-in-1, so you can run bigger races. But 4 is all that I need. Special shout out to some guys, Titan FPV. We were working on a collab with this so that we could actually have multiple pilots flying this, but COVID got in the way, had some sick family members. Jeff, I hope everyone's doing better, and we'll meet up and if you want to and do one of these reviews on your channel. Growl FPV is another. Thank you, brother, for showing interest. Sorry we couldn't work out a time on this, but a big thank you and a big shout out to Ryan Quallett and Carl Zhao. Carl sent this unit out to me early. I bought it with my own money. It wasn't a giveaway, but it was at a discounted price. So thank you for that, Carl. But I hope that it's good enough to get the general idea out to you of how incredible this system is. I think the price on it online, I'll put a picture of it up somewhere here, there, somewhere. I think it's $5.99 on HDzero's site. It's kind of pricey, but it's still a whole lot cheaper than buying 4 VRXs. So, and it's really more than just 4 VRXs. It's like the new goggles are going to be. If you want a preview of what the new goggles, how the interlacing is going to be on analog, this Event VRX has that capability, has that technology inside of it. It is it's great. It's really 4 digital receivers and 4 analog receivers and one little package. Can take one HDMI. You buy the 4-in-1 box for $50-$60. Again, the price may be up. It's been a little while since I bought it, but I'll put a link in the description. None of my links are affiliate links, so if you have other YouTubers or other influencers or streamers, I know that Aaron Ciotti has Amazon affiliate links, so if you're going to go buy this thing, go and click on Aaron's Amazon affiliate link. He could use the money right now, and he's a big help to those of us in the micro world. Nick Burns, Joshua Bardwell, plenty of people. I'm not for sure, maybe even Titan FPV has some affiliate links. If so, just go on to your favorite YouTuber, and if you see that they have affiliate links, click on their affiliate links and go on and buy these things through them, because that'll help out their channel. I'm not monetized or anything. I'm just doing this as a passion. I think HDzero is great, and I want everybody to experience it and learn about it. I wish that there was more information out there about HDzero and about RotoHazard. That's why I'm doing what I'm doing. Why I'm working with Blunty on a cheaper solution for race timers with RotoHazard. If you need some good tech help, I'll put a link in the description below of how to get in touch with Blunty. He is great. He's good at that kind of stuff. Ryan's been a big help on the HDzero getting the YouTube to actually show it where it looks halfway decent, and for that, thanks guys. And here we go, all 4 analog and the analog, HD, and it's just a matter of just setting the channel, and it does it for you in this. You need this little box again. Thanks for watching, and God bless.